Welcome. I'm Julie Christensen. I'm one of the art teachers here at Park High School. I am been teaching in the district for a little over 25 years, teaching a wide variety of art subjects. Currently, I mainly teach ceramics and graphic design. My contact information can be found on Park's webpage, and your student could also find it in Schoology where they may contact me. In Schoology is also where they can find lessons and turn in some of the assignments that are in the written form. Hi, graphic design is a great field for students to explore that career of being a graphic designer, but also just to learn how to be creative digitally. Students have the opportunity in here to work with the Adobe products Photoshop and Illustrator, as well as learning the concepts, vocabulary, and terminology used for graphic design. In here, they're going to have that opportunity to start out slow, learning how to work with these programs and learning the options of what they can do and create with it.